Hi all, welcome to this channel. So guys, this is very important. People are very struggling for adding WhatsApp chat button on your website. So you can give the so many videos how you can adding and how to handling for WhatsApp chat in your website. So a lot of questions are there. So that is the purpose based on the content and all information. So if you want go to appointment, when you click here, they go to your WhatsApp chat button also. There is a multiple options are there. In this WhatsApp chat button, majorly adding to customer to share their information or any kind of things, we can go to WhatsApp chat button. In this purpose, we have simple code is there. The code we written by the very easily. One is called CSS format, the float code, but the code is nothing but a text font and where you can apply the code and everything will be here. Next one, PHP code. PHP code will be what is the information we can pass to the customers. Everything they will give by here itself. Okay. So right now we can give this information. In this is the complete URL structure. This is the complete URL structure. This URL where we can click this appointment, they go to the particular WhatsApp chat button. For example, in appointment option, I'll show this one also. First, you can show this appointment. When you click this appointment, they go to some other page. Now, right now, you can go to the C panel, file manager. In this, where is our exactly page is there? I can go to the particular page. In this page, here, appointment.html is there. Where is it? It is long. Okay. Now we can go to this option in this. Target is equal save change, refresh. When people click the appointment, they go right into WhatsApp chat button. So this is nothing but we discuss about the anchor text. So where you can give this anchor text, you can give by here itself. Every appointment will be different. The appointment link will be not available. So in this purpose, where exactly our appointment link is there, we can use them as copy, paste, paste. Where exactly we can go this appointment is there. Second image, second point here, third point. So these all will be given by option. What your sign, trust your our experience. Here is the things. So this all will be here is the option. So yeah. Now it is adding for here. Next one in this code, PHP code, first of all, this code we can add it by the along with the footer option. In this, you can add your particular phone number. The phone number will be maybe +91 +44 is a UK phone number. So that is called we added by the UK phone number where it is called common footer. The WhatsApp chat button will request for the all pages. This code adding with your code by phone number option. Suppose I'm not adding this phone number. For suppose refresh. When you click here, they're not working for your WhatsApp button. Why? Because no phone number is there. So when click here is not complete for empty one. So that is called here will be using phone number compulsory important. So now it is refresh. How to know the phone number is there or not? They inform that your phone number will be here. So this website will be psychic astrologer from UK. If anyone looking for UK astrologers, you can contact this particular website. So that is purpose. They can adding for particular WhatsApp button. Second thing will be where exactly our CSS file uploaded. Sir, I'm not a developer. I'm a just beginner to learn this subject. So this code we can give to the your developer. They updating their website. This complete code available by the rakeshtechsolutions.com/blogs. You can go to find out this code will be here. In this, the code will be dumped will be here. Purpose of right side, how much position, how much width, how much height, everything will be intimate by will be here. So this all will be a particular option. So that will be click for the save changes. Now we can refresh. For suppose here I'm not adding this future. What happened? I'll tell you. Refresh. No WhatsApp chat button. It is your button. No WhatsApp chat button. The reason is called I'm remove the CSS file. So that is the major impact for your particular adding WhatsApp button. So this code who will be write and where you can find out. I'm already discussed. This code will be written for our own code. We don't depend on any third-party website. So if you go to third-party website, whaty.io is there. In this website also providing for WhatsApp chat button, but they give watermark option. So without watermark purpose, we can using this future. So this will refresh. So icon will be too small. The reason is called I remove this code. So clear. So what are the positions and everything? The compulsory important will be here. So that is compulsory we can use on particular option. So here right column width will be 55% is there. I given by the 65 pixel. For suppose we can go to this option. Next, here is the WhatsApp button. WhatsApp icon is there. You can use my float option will be using to the particular customer. Add the WhatsApp feature will be here. So this feature will be complete will dependent by the this will be given by the whaty.io. So how to know this? In my website, I'm asking for whaty.io. This website will given by the WhatsApp chat. So they will show the watermark. Without watermark, I can create by that future. That we can click here. They click from the particular option. So this will be no other option will be given that we can show to customer will be in this particular future. So here you can give this anything in a particular option. So that will be use simple chart now. Refresh. Here option will be here. So there in what is the test will be show to customers. Same will be to show to will be customer will be here. So that it takes some time to show the particular title will be here. So that all option will be given by the a particular option. So here, what are the changes and what are the appearance will be required? You can update will be here. Just refresh. And here will be show to the particular this. So this is you're adding for WhatsApp chat button. What is the style you can use and what is the we can use everything will be in a particular position. So this will be here. Margin will be 16 is there. I can increase the margin will be 20%. Here is the option. What are the changes you done? Immediately we can affect it by here. So these are the margins. So that is the, we can give the proper margin will be particular, each size will be here. This is all your particular feature will be here for the radius, everything. So is it clear? Font size, everything will be here is the option. So any particular question about WhatsApp chat button adding and any future will be changes in your option, you can contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. You don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.